Hello, today we're going to learn about the soft palate. It prevents food from entering the nasopharynx.
Okay. The hard palate closes off nasal cavity while swallowing.
Talking just continues, running at the mouth like verbal diarrhea.
Here's Johnny.
Man, my taste buds must really be working because these cluster of nerves tell me my coffee tastes like butt.
Hey, so teeth are these things in your mouth that help grind up food.
Well, now the night to say, icky, 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 icky for things.
The umbilical cord connects the fetus to the placenta.
The anus is a hole where wastes leave the digestive tract.
The sex of this pig was a female.
The pig was older than 115 days, and we know this pig for 355 millimeters. And I have a special guest appearance by a live pig in my room.
Liver. The liver, isn't that this thing? Yep. Gallbladder. That's under there.
As guitar, he's going to travel around to each group and sing.
Small intestine. Large intestine. Spleen.
The spleen produces and removes red blood cells. Yes, sir.
Work. You send me every work. Pancreas. That is the other. The pancreas is right here. That bean right there. Okay. Heart.
Diaphragm, large sheet of muscle that helps with breathing.
Diaphragm.
We're going to hear it in your movie in the costume form.
Lungs. Trachea.
And this is the trachea, and it's made out of rings of cartilage, and it's the windpipe that lets air into your mouth and go to your lungs.
The esophagus is the tube that connects the mouth to the stomach.
I have the thyroid gland, which regulates the metabolism, and as you can tell, Scud's metabolism is slowing down.
The lymph nodes filter foreign particles for immune system, site of B and T cells.
The stomach is where mechanical and chemical digestion occurs.
Kidney.
The kidneys help filter blood and help the body pass waste into urine.
Kidneys. The one is down here, right? Yep. Where's the other one?
The grugae are ridges in the stomach that help grind food.
See them, or are they just going to be like on the side? I think
All right, I have the thyroid gland, which oh my god. All right, I have the thyroid gland. Oh god, sorry.
Oh!
Oh, geez.
Oh! Yeah!
Oh!
That's all I got.
Wait, you guys.
throw it at Lenny now.
If I put it down, put it down. Let me jump.
I'm not doing it.
Wait. No, we're not limboing or jump roping.
I wish I would have fallen on his face.
All right, put it back.
And then, what else do we need? Right here, that's the anus.
No, the anus is underneath it, isn't it?
No, there's nothing there. It's right here, because the pig is upside down.
Stop! Don't spit! Work, 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 work. You see me everywhere.